Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 Series such as generation E90, E91, 92, 93 guys, and you're trying to find where your thermostat is located, stay with us and we'll cover that today guys. We'll demonstrate on 6-cylinder N52 engine, but even if you have N53, N54 engine guys or N51, it should work as well. Now, before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos guys, and on BMW 3 Series we'll have close to 400 or 500 videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you need to buy a new thermostat, coolant, parts, tools, anything like that for your BMW, we'll share guys the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. This is the engine right here, and with the front end taken completely apart, we can show you everything with a great detail. We'll have videos pretty much how to do anything on that car guys. Also, we have another channel that's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll post electrical videos, testing components, and actually guys fuses, relays and things like that for 3 Series, so please subscribe. Okay, I guarantee you guys, if you need help with something, it'll save you quite a bit of money. So this engine right here now, N52, they started using it in 2005 guys. The previous generation 6-cylinder engine, the M54, it used to have the thermostat guys, was very easy actually to locate, but now guys, looking at the engine, okay, you don't see it, correct? Okay, you have radiator hose going to the oil filter housing. You have guys hoses going to the heater core, and then you don't see the thermostat, okay, and you don't see your water pump either. But the water pump is actually driven by, it's not driven by the belt, it's electric water pump, okay, and it's this device right here. But if you come on the very left side of it guys, okay, right here, this black thing where all the hose is attached to, okay, this is your thermostat on your BMW, and it looks like this one. We have the new one right here, and we'll have a video how to replace it as well. So we'll cover everything from start to finish, how to do it. But this is guys your thermostat. It has two bolts where it attaches to the to the water pump on the bottom side right there. So once you guys remove these two bolts, okay, you will be able, okay, to move it a little bit. You need to disconnect. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 hoses. The one on top is super easy, this one is easy, and then you have 2 more on the other side that will be a little bit more complicated. Now, I'll recommend to use good quality thermostat. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. In addition guys, we'll recommend to use BMW approved coolant, because otherwise you can cause damage to your cooling system, your radiator hoses. You have multiple seals and gaskets, and that can be catastrophic for your BMW engine. Also, when you replace the thermostat, you have to bleed the cooling system. We have the video procedure on the channel that explains everything from start to finish, so definitely guys, check it out. Now, hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you need help with anything, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.